Sisterna sucrose esters can be used to prepare stable oil and water emulsions. In a mixture of oil and water, sucrose esters will be placed at the oil droplet surface, making the oil droplets more hydrophilic. Oil droplets can be easily divided in water and an emulsion is formed. We will show some aspects that will influence the emulsion stability. The first aspect, solubility. Sucrose esters have to be dissolved in water in order to be fully functional. They are best added to the water phase and then heated. For more information, you can watch the video, Water Solubility. The second aspect, SHEAR. Manual shaking will only give very limited shear, so the stability of the emulsion will be weak. A more stable emulsion can be formed with a high shear mixer. More shear gives smaller oil droplets and a more stable emulsion. The highest shear is reached with a high pressure homogenizer. The third aspect, acidity. Below pH 4, sucrose esters will slowly break down and will no longer be soluble in water. Sucrose esters will flocculate and this effect is irreversible. This makes it a challenge to prepare a stable emulsion below pH 4. By adjusting the processing, it is possible to make stable emulsions when the pH is close to 4. It is best to first prepare the emulsion and afterwards add the acidic ingredients. When sucrose esters are partly dissolved in the oil phase, they are less sensitive to acid. The fourth aspect, salt. Sucrose esters are sensitive to high salt contents. At a salt content of more than 1% in water, the same issues will occur as in acidic conditions. The advice is the same. Prepare the emulsion prior to adding the salt. In normal foodstuffs, the salt concentration is rarely too high for sucrose esters. Keep in mind that in emulsions containing a lot of oil, for example sauces, the salt is dissolved in a small portion of water. In this water phase, the salt content can be high. Never premix sucrose esters with salt. The fifth aspect, viscosity. Increasing the viscosity of the water phase will improve emulsion stability. Choosing the best combination of stabilizers and gelling agents will prevent oil droplets from flowing together. When the viscosity of the emulsion is low, like in beverages, the oil droplets of color emulsions have to be very small to get the required stability. Sucrose esters can ensure ultra-small oil droplets by using a two-step concentrated emulsion technique. For more information on this technique, contact Sisterna.